back. Welcome back. In today's class, I want to teach you what we call entering and exit strategies. These are the strategies that you can use for entering and as well for for exit in any trade. These are the things I use, and I believe it will be of helpful to you if you can learn this. So follow me through and let's learn this together. There are different and different ways to enter the market and to exit. However, I believe that you should, of course, one of the things most beginners or let's say intermediate find these issues, difficulties in is the entry. Whenever they want to hold the trade beyond, market will reverse, it will reverse, and of course put them out, and of course put them in deep losses or even wipe away their account. And whenever they want to opt out, not to be greedy, such market will keep going far and far and far and far. This oh, what the fuck? I'm like, oh my god, why every time be holding it? Why can't I just keep holding it and hold it till I could make all of this? Oh my god, why? Why? It pains them more and more a lot because of what they have just the decision they have just made in the market. So in this today's class, I will show you exactly how to hold it, okay, how to hold the market, how to hold the trade till the right times and right time to mature. Then you exist. In today's class, let's go into it, guys. So look at this trade, guys. I took this last buy here. We took the buy here. At first, we took the buy and it took us out. I entered the buy again at this point. I entered the buy again at this point, so I make it double. So how do I have to do it? Let me show you. Let me show you very quickly. Let me show you. You can see that this point is what this point is a what is a point of what is an area of concentration and another area of interest. Whenever we are above this point, we are always buying, right? You can see that this point is more or less a double bottom. A market push a double do you take away all of this and do the higher high and came back to do more or less an higher low. Good. Beyond that, if you go to what, let me show you. If you go to 2 hours, you can see. Let me show you. If you go to us, you can see as well. You'll be able to see that in our 2 hours time frame, this thing will have been counted out to why activated in Nigeria. During the 2 hours time frame, of course, you will have seen, of course, as well. Um, this thing going, okay, you have seen mine. Okay, awesome. Oh, awesome. Yeah, so you can see that during the 2 hours, it did what it is as well. The bottom as well. That shows I did not want to move. So that was how this one is normal. Let me show you. That was my. Let me show you my entering at that season. Let me show you how I was able to enter. So I saw that on 12 time frame. I saw that on 4 hours. So it keeps giving me for confirmation for long, from 4 hours to 2 to 1 and the legs and the rest like that. So that was how I was able to enter it. Okay, this was the first buy we took. I think this was the first buy that took us out. This was the first buy that took us out. Then we entered it again. We entered it here. I entered 7 1 here. After confirmation, I 7 1 here. Then I actually opted that 7 1 here. Yeah, this I entered that here. Let me show you. I opted that here. Why I opted out in this place, I will show you. Let me show you. That is look that place. We opted around here. Look it very well. Then the second one is this. This is what I'm going to teach you guys. Yeah, this one, this one here. I actually entered at this point. I entered so early because of what I saw, the pattern I saw. I was so used to the pattern. I see this pattern already, and I see the push. This engulfed this market. I engulfed one, two, three, four, engulfed the and I entered at this opening of this market. The market he tested. My stop loss was around this. I was like, oh my gosh, with this take away my stop loss. I was so like, even if it takes me out, I will still enter again when it confirms the move because I was so sure this is a what a buy move. Then market didn't take away my stop loss and boom, did a what a pin bar, then go bang 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 bang. This was during the New York session, London session. He did all of this, then he worked this thing closed my trade. And this came back. This was the one that scared me the most. Came back here. There was a news, sparking of news. My server was still there. Sparking of news. I see this market is already tested. I saw this double bottom, double top. That shows what a reversal in the market. But I look at it in the bigger time frame and everything. I was seeing that this market is not still yet sure. I was because of what it was even met my what one ratio two. It was just still 1:1, not up to 1:1 self. So I chose not to close because it was not up to 1:2. At least I need to, if I'm using or 50 or $100 or so, $1,000, I need to make 2,000 for a bit. So it came back here. I didn't see closing. I was still holding heavily, even though I was a bit in a little. I was around breakeven already. You know, I was around breakeven. The market went and went, goes and goes. Then I after that around this point, this candle and this last candle, I just put it out. Why did I say and why did I opt out? So I was able to look at least 1 to 1.8, even though it's not up to 1 to 2, but at least it's worth my fixing and it's worth my money. So I was able to use up to 1 to 1.8, not up to 1 to 2, and then after that at this point, then I opted out. I saw, what do I see? I see these two. And as I told you guys, you must understand candlesticks. You must what understand we call candlesticks. This one here, this green bar and this red, they are called tweezer. Am I talking, guys? They are called what? Tweezer. Tweezer. I saw this here. It's a tweezer. It means what? It is a reversal candlestick pattern. I tell you guys, if you are not on our community that are on, by now you should join our community so you can always learn some of these stuffs. Because we have about 18 to 20 different candlesticks, reversal and entering that we give to our students that will help them to always exit and then and go into the market. These are the things that you should know and you should be learning them. So I want to emphasize again, if you're not on our community, please and please look into the description below around this video or into my bio and join our community so you can learn some of these things for free. Am I talking? So that was the candlesticks I saw. And also, apart from that, I also saw something that I knew that market will definitely be hot. And can you see? It came back entirely to entry. Can you see? Came back, can you see? Came back entirely until this point. Can you see? So came back entirely. Let me also say another thing I saw again that I said, no, 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 this market will definitely have a rush over there. Can you see? So after that, I saw someone around here. So because of what? The last time market came here, it reacted. The last time, so if you come here, it's also react again. Aside from that, around around this zone, we have what? We have what? We have an area of concentration around this zone. Around this zone. So definitely, what there going to be what? A reaction at this zone. So I saw that candlestick pattern. Immediately, I opted out, we call for opting out and take all our profits. I took all my profit. Let me show you again. I took all my profit and I opted out. At this point, the market will pass. Can you see what I saw? So knowledge will give you advance in this market. Will give you advance in the market. Knowledge over anything will give you advance in the market. One time I see it in the bigger time frame as well, I knew that what this is, and also the time at which that this stock was pointing was more or less, will I call it overlap time of New York of London section, but as well it's still a second phase of New York, but on an overlap time for London. Then the pair I took is what GDP, which is what London, and then JPY, which is what Tokyo. So, but this kind of thing that is doing is a more or less an overlap. Overlap time doing in London session at least, as I could say, the London session is closing up already. So I look at those time sections. I look at what the market is doing. I look at the candlesticks. I look at I look at the formation, its patterns. I look at the area of concentration, your zones and everything. I know that what there's going to be a reaction and everything that is working against that. I need to opt out this month. Even though I was expecting to 1 to 2, 1 to 3, then I opted out, and that was it. Am I talking? And that was it. And that was it. So I hope you understand this entry strategy is so simple, concise, and so precise entry strategy that I just use for this market and I'm able to get profit out of it. I hope you do understand, guys. Please don't forget, please do not forget to always subscribe to this channel so you can get much more value from us. Thank you once again for joining me. As I'll also be looking out for a buy soon on this. I'm looking out for a buy soon after around here. So thank you so much, guys. I will keep you updated. And if you're not on our community, please look at the link below so and join us right now so you can always learn a lot from us. Thank you, guys, and have a wonderful weekend, guys. Bye for now, guys. Peace out. Bye.